Hey guys, so I literally just bleached my roots and I'm going to be dyeing my hair Periwinkle by Arctic Fox. So I'm going to be putting this straight over the top of my dreadlocks. So my hair is still wet from washing out the bleach. So I'm going to be taking the Periwinkle hair dye and I'm going to be putting it straight into a bowl and then applying it to my hair. Now I've covered all of my loose hair, I'm going to start working on the dreadlocks. I'm going to focus on the roots first and then I'm going to pull the hair dye down through the dreads.
Making up for lost time, gonna make it right by you. They said it would be easy, guess I never thought it through. My head's been in the wrong place, when it should have been with you. All this time, it was never enough, so please slow down.
Okay, so now I've covered all my loose hair and the roots. I'm just taking the dye and bringing it down the dreadlocks and just brushing it through with my hands until they're completely covered. Almost finished, I've just got a couple left to do. So pretty. bottle of the Arctic Fox hair dye, and I managed to cover my entire head with it, so I'm quite happy. So I'm going to leave it on my hair for 45 minutes and then I'm going to get in the shower and rinse it out. When I'm in the shower, I'm just going to kind of make sure like to squeeze out all the water a couple times until the water runs clear, and try and get as much of the hair dye out as possible. It's so pretty. There's so many different colours. It's got some green and purple and blue. Just by putting the periwinkle over all of it, it's just nice and multi-tonal. So I'm going to wait for my hair to dry and then I'll get back to you. When my hair is dry, I'm going to do a little bit of maintenance on my dreadlocks with the crochet hook. If you guys haven't seen how I maintain my dreadlock roots, then I do have a video on it. It's up on my YouTube channel. My dreads have gone super fluffy, so that's why I'm just going to go over the dreads with the crochet hook as well. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for my dreadlocks to dry and then get back to you. Hey guys, so it's now the next day since I've bleached and dyed my hair, and this is the results. I am in love. It's just so beautiful. We've got blues, we've got turquoise and greens, purples. It's just so multicolored. All the colors that I love. So I'll show you guys the back. So I ended up doing maintenance on the roots of my dreads last night. Pretty much took all night to do the maintenance on my roots, but now I've done it, I don't have to do it for a while. And I really love how multi-tonal this blue is. It's kind of like a pastel blue but almost like a cobalt blue at the same time. It's just so lovely. Since I made the dreadlocks, I've wanted to have them blue and purple. Now I've finally done it. It's like my hair mission is now complete. So I'm looking forward to seeing how the hair dye is going to fade on the dreadlocks. So after a few washes it might go silver, but we'll see. I'm just so happy that I actually got around to dyeing my hair because I wanted to do it for so long. Also guys, if you were interested in trying the Arctic Fox hair dye, I do have a discount code which will get you 15% off. Also another thing that I was surprised with using this hair dye is I thought I was going to use quite a lot of the hair dye, but I ended up using only one bottle. I was really surprised about that because I thought I was going to need two, but I used one 8-ounce bottle and this was enough to cover my entire head. So my hair goes down just past my boobies, so I hope that kind of helps so you know how much you will need if you're going to dye your whole head. But I have another bottle, so it's just going to last me a long time. I'm just so happy with the colours, it's just so nice.